Hello everyone, it's Mr. Cube Collector. Today we're going scramble and solve 7 by 7 cube. So let's scramble first. That is 7 by 7 magnetic cube, so it's moving very nice. Also it's quiet. Okay, let me scramble a little bit more. Okay, I think that should be all right. So first what I'm doing middles or centers. After that I solving edges, and afterwards it's basically like 3 by 3 cube. So I will show you. So let's start it from white center first. So what we're doing is line by line. So doing first line now. Okay, one more. So as you can see, we done first line. Okay, we need to now connect to white middle. Okay, so let's do second line. And to one more. So second line done, and we start third line. Here we go, it's third line done. So now we keep focus on fourth line. Okay, 3 more to go. And one more, which is hiding over here. So our last line, guys. And first center will be ready. Here we go. So far we done first white center or middle. So next we're going to make yellow, which is opposite white color. So we've done 2 so far. Got third line of yellow color. And now we move to the next line. Okay, one more piece, and you are. So one more line and yellow will be ready. Okay, so far we done two centers, white and yellow. Next center, what I always do is red. I don't know why, but you can start with any color you want. Okay, first solid line done. We're working on second line. Second line done. So we got two so far of red color and one more. Oops, where is it? Where is it? Over here. Okay. So we got three line. We keep doing next line. Okay, four line dance. Okay, next color dance. So far we done three colors, so three more to go, three centers more to go. So next one I'm going to make blue. So first color done, I mean line of blue. Second line done, blue color, and one more. Next line, finish. As you can see, I'm not a speed cuber, but I know how to solve most of the cube, which I have about 600 different cubes. Not different, but 600 cubes, but a lot different. And also I have some of them which I cannot solve. Okay, so blue done. So then four colors, and what we need now is just make orange and green, and all middays will be done. So now using some algorithm to move pieces from green side to orange side. Same again. So 2 more pieces and all centers will be done. Okay, last piece, guys. Yes, so we done all centers or middles, whatever you call that. Next step, what I doing, it's edges. So let's do connect all pieces. For example, we need to do all same colors. I will show you in a minute how it's called, how it's look. So, and we try do not broke the centers. So as you can see, we get 2 pieces of white and red color. So we're looking more red and white. Okay, where they are? Okay, so they over here. Okay, so look now, guys, I going connect them all together. So that's how we did first edge. It's 12 edges, of course. So we done first edge. So next time we're going to make maybe blue and white. All right. So of course we connect. We got 3 of them now. We got 4. We need 1 more. White and blue to finish next edge. But I don't know, where is it? Here we go, it's here. So we done second edge. So next I'm going to make orange and white. So I get 2 pieces. We're looking for more pieces, orange and white. We got 1 over here. And the next piece, 1 more to go. White and orange middle. Here we go. It's hiding over here. Okay, so next one we're going to make maybe red and green because it's mostly done. Red and green, so we're looking for red and greens. Got 1 over here. And 1 over here. And the last is over there. So next 4th edge is done. And of course we try do not broke the middles. It look like broke, but it's not. We can move over here, but you can't broken. Okay, next edge going to be white and green. One more white and green. Okay. Next one maybe I will do yellow and green. Okay, and last yellow and green, which we got here. So next edge, finish. So next one I will do red and blue. Okay, red and blue done. Okay, next one I will do orange and blue. I need one more orange and blue, which is hiding over here. So we've done 8 edges, so it means we got 4 more to go. Now it'll be a little bit more difficult, but still I can do it. So next color I'm going to make is yellow and blue. And we go back, yellow and blue. So we need one more piece, yellow and blue. This way. Alright, 3 more edges. 1, 2, 3. So next color going to be yellow and red. One more yellow and red, which is over here. So finally we got 2 more edges to go. Also we got special algorithm for 2 last edges as well. Here we go. So we done all middles, all edges. So from this moment we're solving same as 3 by 3. Okay, so let's solve. Now should be a little bit more faster. We're very, very close. Okay, where I lose my color? Oh. Okay, next edge. And the last edge. So far we've done 6 lines. So what we're doing we got 6 layers, and now we're doing last layer. So what we need to do is cross, same as with 3 by 3. So we got cross, and now we need to do something like this. Connect that cross with this edge, must be same color. So this is same, it's not same, it's not same. So also it's special algorithm. So as you can see, it's all connect with yellow cross. And the last step what we do is corners. We need to put corners same place. So that is not correct, that is correct, that is not correct, that is not correct. So also it's again algorithm for swap them. Yeah, so all that is a right place and right position, that is right place, right place, right place. So now we need to put them on the right position. So what you're doing is also algorithm, which is very popular, sexy move. And that's it. So 7 by 7, it's done. So that's how I solve 7 by 7 cube. So now I'm making for you nice pattern with 7 by 7 cube. Also you can do that on 3 by 3, 4 by 4. Here we go. So it's like cube in the cube. So you can make one more cube. Here we go. And one more. So there you are. So I make a really nice pattern on 7 by 7 cube. We scramble, we solve, and we make pattern. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.